Isang political science na libro na sobrang excited ako basahin this year ay ang Moral Politics in the Philippines by Wataru Kosaka. So, itong libro na to ay nagbibigay ng framework kung bakit ang bansa natin ay usually nagdi-divide pagdating sa pagboboto between good and evil. So, if nanonotice mo pag election season, usually, di ba, mga binoboto ng mga middle class, ang mga elite ay yung mga liberal o people na may connotation as good. Habang ang mga masa, those of the lower middle class and below, ay bumoboto ng populist leaders at binibigyan sila ng connotation as bad. Gusto ko malaman kung bakit ganito o paano naging ganito yung bansa natin at bakit mali ito. Especially as someone who would consider myself as also practicing moral politics. So I want to understand why this might be wrong and kung paano siya, how we can go beyond that, how we can go beyond calling people bobotante and how we can go beyond just simple narratives of good and evil and understand kung bakit ba ganito yung bansa.